Hi, this is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, President and owner of Source Development, Inc., a residential and commercial construction company in Garnerville, New York. And this is how to remove excess mortar from tile joints. So once you fill the joint up with grout, you're going to want to remove it. So essentially you're going to use a wet sponge for that. It's going to take more than one application to remove the grout, especially if you're using a lot of it, and if the grout has any pattern to it, if it's got any irregular surface area. So on my model here, you're going to make a bunch of passes, and I just left this on my model to demonstrate the different passes. So this will be your first pass. On your second pass, you're going to remove more. Now, you want to be really careful not to remove too much grout at a time, and you don't want to have too wet of a sponge. What's going to happen is you're going to weaken the grout, and you might even discolor it depending on the color that you use. So you really want to use the right amount of water, rinse out the sponge, and do nice subtle passes across the tile. So this will be first pass, second pass, third pass. You should be pretty much clean. Even after the third pass, you're going to notice a slight haze on it. You're going to have to come back with either a very damp, almost dry cloth, and remove the haze. And that's, of course, after the grout is set or almost fully cured. So this was how to remove excessive mortar from tile grout joints. This is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, President and owner of Source Development, Inc., a residential and commercial construction company in Garnerville, New York, helping you build a better life. We'll see you next time.